Welcome to my kitchen. Cook me.
Where are you?
We're Party City.
You're at Party City. What are you doing at Party City?
We're gonna buy candy.
You're gonna buy candy today?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside then. Thank you. All right, Claire. Ooh, lots of party stuff. Let's go find your candy then. Go.
What candy?
You find it. Do you need a basket for your candy? No? Okay, go get it then. Is that all the candies over there? What bags do you want? Do you want the Jelly Belly bag or the M&M bag? Which one?
M&M bag.
Your M&M bag? So get this one. Okay, go.
Candy.
Candy in there.
I got it back.
Is that black candy?
Yeah.
Okay, what else are you gonna get?
I got a pink lollipop.
Okay, next, what else are you gonna get? Huh?
I get a little bit.
Okay, a little bit of everything. What else are you gonna get? Ooh, that's a lot of different candies. Oh, pick up your bag then. What else are you getting? What is that?
We have pink.
Okay. What else? Anything up here?
We have almond.
Let me see.
Oh, that's the game of bomb we have.
That's huge balls. Different candies. You need that one? Everything?
Yeah.
You cannot get everything.
Where's it?
Where's what?
I can catch it.
I think they're all right here. Different colors.
We have pink.
Let me see. What color is that?
We have blue.
Okay. What else? What else? What is that?
We have red.
Is that red one?
Yeah.
Is that, what is that? Oh, Twizzlers, so yummy.
And we have purple.
Anything over here that you want? There's much more candies over here. That's a bubble gum. Do you need bubble gum? Let me see what you get.
Soccer ball.
Is that what you got? A soccer ball?
Baseball.
Baseball, okay.
Or soccer ball. Soccer ball.
Okay, what else?
Blue one. Look at Daddy.
Let me see what you have so far. There's many different candies. You want to take a ball?
Yeah.
I don't think you can have ball. It's nothing. You can't get it. Look, you can't get it. You can't open it. There's no way to get it. Look, you can't open it. You can't open it.
It's close already.
Yeah, it's closed already. All the candies are all right here. Lots of different candies. More money candies?
Wait. I'm gonna eat it.
Which one are you gonna eat?
This.
That one? Is your bag full already? Let me see. Ooh, that's lots of candy. What else?
And Everybody needs this.
You can put it in there? How about you dump it out and let everyone see what you have so far. Whoa, lots of candy. Okay, you go shopping again for candy then. Okay, what else are you gonna get? Ooh, there's a lot of different balls. Baseball, soccer ball, football, and then basketball. Did you get one of each? What is that? Is that football you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Football.
Well, let me see. Can you hold it up? See the football?
Football. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig?
On the top.
Oh, lots of balloons, right?
My Peppa Pig right here.
Lots of balloons. Where's your Peppa Pig?
Right here on the top.
On the top? Oh, right here.
They're mine.
Ooh, Peppa Pig.
The meat.
Is that yours? We'll get it for you on your birthday then, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go buy candy.
More candy? I think you have enough, no? That's a lot of candy already. Is that all you're gonna get? It's a lot of candy. Let me see what you have. Ooh, so much different candy. Let me see. So are you gonna pay and then go home and eat it all?
How?
Huh?
Yeah. I want to like go home and do something.
Let me see. What is that you picked? What is that? Can I see? Ooh, candy stick Spider-Man. It looks so yummy. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go pay and then go home.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Till next time. Bye.